Hi guys, back again with a quick tutorial on how to get Google Circle to Search working and Voice Assistant on the X300 Pro. Thanks to Vivo adding a shortcut button, actually a physical button on the device, you can now map that to open Gemini and Circle to Search. So if you head to the link in the description and download these two apps at the bottom, I'll install that one first. Accept all the security prompts. Done. And then the trigger app, download that one. Open file. Install. Done. And then make sure you've got Gemini installed and the Google Home app. Not Google Home, Google app. Let those install. So you want to go and find the Gemini app, long press it and click app info, and then click battery usage and background power control and set that to high. And then back out of there, you want to go to notifications, allow notifications, and then allow them there. View all permissions, and then you want to enable auto start, associated startup, floating window, display on lock screen, and background pop-ups. And then we're just going to repeat this for the Google app. So app info, battery usage, background power control, high background power usage, notifications, allow notifications, permissions, all permissions, auto start, floating window, associated startup. Yeah, we did notifications. And then same again, you want to go and click on the MICTS app info, battery usage, high background power usage, notifications, enable those, permissions, auto start, associated startup, allow, floating window. It says some features are restricted. Click remove restrictions and you'll be asked to enter your PIN or scan your fingerprint. And then enable it. Display on lock screen, background pop-ups. So, and allow notifications. And then you want to head to the Gemini app. Use Gemini, and then you want to click on your little profile icon in the top right. Scroll all the way to the bottom, click settings. Scroll all the way to the bottom of here, and then click digital assistance from Google. And then towards the bottom here, where my fingerprint is just highlighting, you click the Android default digital assistant app. So click that, then click here, and then click Google. Okay. And then swipe away and go back to the home screen. And then if you go to the app, so that's this one, if you click on that, it should now load Circle to Search like so. So that's step one. Then we want to go to the trigger app and do the same again. Enable high background power usage, notifications, lock screen, float in, permissions, auto start, associated startup, floating window. Same again, remove restrictions and scan your fingerprint, and then enable it, display on lock screen and background pop-ups. And then if you then click on that one, it will open, accept the prompts, and it will open the default voice assistant as if you were holding the power button to bring up Google Gemini. So then what we want to do, if you have a Vivo device or any other device that has like a shortcut button, you might be able to enable it in a similar way. If you click shortcuts and accessibility in the Vivo settings, find the shortcut button settings, and then you want to set them to how you'd like them. I've set mine to press and hold. So if you scroll across here, you can find app access, and then you want to just click on that and then select the app in there. And then same again for the double press, select the app here. And then when you physically press the physical button, so double click, give it a second, it will open whichever you have set up, so the Circle to Search or the voice assistant, and that way you can save having to use the Vivid Gestures app that you've previously used on Chinese phones. Obviously this only really works on the Vivo thanks to the physical button, but that is also how to set it up on other devices. So yeah, I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching.